Okay, so moving on to question number 8. So what is the percent error of the following measurements? A, the density of alcohol is found to be 0.8060 grams per milliliter. Its true value is 0.7980. And B, the mass of gold is an earring. Earring analyzed to be 0.8478 grams, and its true value is 0.8644 grams. So first, let's write the definition of percentage error. So percent error is the difference between the approximate and exact values and it is useful in finding out how accurate a measurement is. Okay, so for part A, first I'll just write down the equation for percentage error. And this is the absolute value of the true value minus the measured value. So these bonds, these lines kind of show, it means you're looking for the absolute value. So let's say when you have the true value minus the measured value, if it's a negative number, then we are only interested in the positive number. So that's kind of what those two bars mean. So even if the number is negative, we will take the positive value of the number. So this absolute value difference is divided by the true value, and the whole thing is multiplied by 100%. So let's do the first example. We're looking for the absolute difference between the true value, which is 0.7980. Let me make this a little longer just to show it's not like a 1 grams per mil, minus the measured value, which is 0.8060 grams per mil. All of that divided by the true value, which is 0.7980 grams per mil times 100. If we do the calculations, you end up getting a percent error of 1.0025%, which is pretty good. It's a low number. And now let's do part B of the question. The mass of gold is an earring analyzed to be 0.8478, true value 0.8644. So again, let's take the absolute value of the difference between the two. So we have 0. 8644 minus 0.8478 divided by 0.8644 times 100. We end up getting a percentage error of 1.9204%. Okay, so that's also pretty low. Let's see what the junior tutor said. Accuracy refers to the nearness of a measured value from the true value. Because the terms nearness and true value are subjective, it is important to have a mathematical formula for accuracy. Percent error is a numerical measure of accuracy. It is calculated by obtaining the deviation of the measured value from the true value, which is the absolute value of the difference between the two values as a percentage of the true value. Okay, so they have the equation here. For part A, they plugged it into the equation. Okay, so you can see an example of how the values in the middle of the two bars would normally be a negative 0.008, but we're only looking for the difference between the two. So they took the positive 0.008, divided it by 0.7980, and got 1.002%. And for part B, they got 1.920%. Yep, so this solution is correct.